Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use apple mint leaves. Apple mint is a delightful herb known for its soft, fuzzy leaves and a gentle, fruity aroma that combines notes of apple and traditional mint. It's incredibly versatile, making it a fantastic addition to many aspects of your daily routine. We'll cover everything from enhancing your favorite dishes and beverages to exploring its uses in home remedies and even how to grow it yourself. Get ready to discover the full potential of this wonderful plant. Apple mint shines in the kitchen, offering a subtle sweetness to many recipes. For drinks, try infusing a handful of leaves into a pitcher of water or iced tea for a refreshing twist. In desserts, finely chop the leaves and sprinkle them over fruit salads, yogurt, or even ice cream. It pairs wonderfully with apples and berries. You can also make a delicious mint jelly or a simple syrup to sweeten cocktails and lemonades, adding a bright, herbaceous note. Apple mint's benefits extend far beyond the plate. Its pleasant aroma makes it perfect for homemade potpourri or small sachets to freshen drawers and closets. For a calming experience, brew a cup of apple mint tea. It's known to soothe an upset stomach and promote relaxation. You can also use a handful of fresh leaves in a bowl of hot water for a revitalizing facial steam. Furthermore, planting apple mint in your garden can naturally deter certain pests. Growing your own apple mint is straightforward and rewarding. It thrives in well-draining soil and enjoys both partial shade and full sun. To encourage bushy growth and a continuous supply of leaves, harvest regularly by pinching off the top 2/3 of the stems. You can easily propagate new plants by placing stem cuttings in water until roots form. Remember, mint can spread vigorously, so consider planting it in a container to keep its growth contained within your garden space.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.